Alright, ladies and gents, welcome to another vloggy. I just got off the bike like 5 minutes ago, feels like. Now I'm getting back on because I gotta go to Red Hook and take care of something. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Red Hook now. Red Hook bound. Try and determine if I want to go on a highway or if I want to go on the little roads. I guess there's only one way to find out. Oh, it's such a nice morning. It's nice and cozy. Apparently there's a cop right here. Is it true? Is that possible? I don't see him. So yeah, let's just enjoy the ride. Should have gotten some breakfast. Today was kind of a weird day because I started a little earlier than normal for really no reason. So I'm a little bit not annoyed, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Freaking tourists. We're not doing that. Sorry, bud. I think I'll go on a highway just because I mean, local could be nice, but local could also be annoying. I don't know. So we'll just go that way. Totally okay. Totally alright. Or do I want to go that way? Trying to decide. Nah, we'll go on the highway. No time for games this morning. This is a new pizza place right here. I should try it one of these days. Try a slice. What a long freaking light. I never take this light. This is madness. Pure madness. Now we're gonna wait over there as well, I guess. It's okay. Can't win them all, right? It's gotta stay positive. Bro, this is a lane, you fucking weirdo. Yeah, the splitting. The splitting does get old. Look at these spaces people are keeping while we're in traffic. I just keep going. this area. Atlantic Avenue, baby. Might grab some gas. Get off right here. There we go. Ooh, nice little sweeper here. Showing up a little bit early, which is technically okay. Not a big problem. Should have gotten gas right there. Nice little car wash over here. From God's work. Folks playing music. So easy to go 35. You see that for a second? I went too fast. Gotta go the speed limit. Massive area here. The sanitation next to Home Depot, next to a couple of other things. What a weird little area. Not the biggest fan. It's just everything is fucked up around here. Look, all the ground, everything is like just a mess. Bizarre. It's all good. We're almost there. Po-po. You know, nice little day. What am I gonna have for lunch? I want something simple, something yummy. Maybe a wrap. I don't really want anything greasy or salty. There we go. We shall take a right over here. Nice and easy. Lemon squeezy. Beautiful. What a nice area. Look at that building. New developments. I almost lived here. How crazy would my life have been if instead of like Bushwick and Williamsburg and Ridgewood, I would have moved here? That would have been crazy. Bit of Mexican food. Nice and gentle, nice and easy. Lemon squeezy. Guess there's a po-po station around here. That's adorable. I appreciate it. Thanks for doing a good job. Wash repair center. They got mad car washes here. All sorts. I guess this is the row. It's basically at the end of the block. AZ Party Rentals. Okay. Hey. It's not my world. It's Sotheby's fucking art show world, and I'm just living in it. All good. Hair salon. Alright, there we go. We'll pull over right over here. Oh. What is it? 1:30 a.m. Or how much is it? 1:50. Oh. see. Just want to make sure I actually got the paperwork. This would be so tragic if I forgot that little white envelope. I would literally probably die. Please just be here. Yes, it's here. Good. We all right? All right, we made it. All right, boys, girls. Talk to you soon. All right? Okay, bye.